Welcome everybody to How To University, and my name is Damani Norwood. I am the creator, the CEO, and the lead instructor of How To University. And today what I want to show you guys is how to download any YouTube video to your phone. All right. So what I have is an Android cell phone. You're looking at a view from my cell phone of How To University's YouTube channel. All right. And so let's get started on how to download any video to your phone. Okay. And you can watch the video at a later time or upload the video to a social media post or anything, whatever you decide to do, you can download the video to your phone. All right. So what I'm going to do is look for a video. And while I'm doing that, let me also say that whatever video you choose to download, make sure you have permission to do it. Because like I said, you can download any video, any YouTube video. And you can download any video, no matter what time or how long it is. It can be a 3-hour video, a 30-minute video, an hour video, an hour and a half video, a 5-minute video. It doesn't matter the time, but as long as your phone has enough space to do it in, you can download that video. So what I'm going to choose is, and of course, like I said, make sure you have permission to download the video, not to download the video, but if you plan on downloading the video and posting it up somewhere else as part of your channel, if you have a YouTube channel or something like that, then make sure you have permission, because YouTube will let you know that there's some copyright violations. And most times they'll let you keep it unless you want to dispute it, or unless the video owner has already made provisions to delete any video that wasn't given permission to use. All right. So I just got to let you know about that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this video here just because it's easy to show you how to do it. But again, like I said, it can be as long as you want the video to be, as long as your phone has the memory. All right. So what I'm going to do is click on this video. I'm going to click it. I'm going to tap on the screen and tap that video, and it's going to play. All right. All right. So now what I'm going to do, before I go on to the next step, I want to let you know something else. Again, it could be a video. Like I said, it can be an hour-long video, a 30-minute long video, 5-10 minute long. It doesn't matter, as long as your phone has enough space to hold that video. All right. So with that being said, I let this video play because it's just 10 seconds, so it's no big deal. But let's just assume that this is an hour-long video and you don't want to sit here until the video finishes playing in order to go to the next step. So let's just imagine that this is an hour long and I clicked on the video and it started playing. So what I want to do, and then what you want to do next, is as soon as it starts playing the video, you just pause the video. All right. And then you go to the next step. So I'm going to play it again as if it's like an hour-long video. Okay, now I hit the pause button, and so now it's on pause. So what we're going to do next, or what I'm going to do next, is I just tap the screen so you can see some options pop up. You have that, and that. Those are options on my phone. To some people's phones, it might be different, or it might be the same. All right, depending on what apps and stuff you got going on your phone. So the next thing is the choice that you want to pick. You want to tap on that arrow right there. All right. And when you tap on that arrow, there's going to be a bunch of options that comes up. So let's check that out. And there are the options. Okay. You have the copy link. And again, this might be different on other people's phones, but basically speaking, these are all the options that'll pop up as soon as you tap on that arrow. So now the thing that you want to tap on next is the copy the link, because you're copying the link of that particular video that you want to download to your phone. All right. So I'm going to tap on copy link, and it's going to let me know at the bottom that it's been copied to the clipboard. All right. So now that link has been copied to the clipboard, and I can go on to my next step. Okay. And so what you want to do, the next step, is you want to go in this Google box here. Everybody should have that on their phones. And I'm going to type in the web address. The web address is save, S-A-V-E, from, F-R-O-M.net. All right. But normally I can just type in the first 3 letters and the website will pop up, or should pop up. And there it goes. All right. So here's the web address right there. And what I'm going to do is click on that and the web address should come up. The website should pop up. All right. There we go. Boom. So there you go. That's the web address, savefrom.net. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link inside of that box. Remember that when I clicked on copy link, that link is going to go in that box. So what I'm going to do is put my finger in that box and hold it there until the word paste comes up. And then when paste comes up, I'm going to click the word paste, and then the link that I copied should pop up in this box. All right. So here we go. There goes the word paste, and I'm going to tap on that word, and there goes the link, and then you see the video. All right. So that's the video I wanted to download. Here it is. All right. It's giving you like a little thumbnail picture of it. And so the next thing to do is to click this download button. But before we do that, I want to show you what's going on here. All right. When I hit the drop down arrow here, there's going to be some options. And there are all the options right there. Okay. Or here's all the options. But what you want to do, you don't have to be worried about all these particular options here. All right. Because it's going to stay. What you want to do is just keep it as the 720. All right. You want to keep it as the 720. Right. And the next thing you want to do is you want to download. Now, keep this in mind as well. Don't be fooled about this 720 here. That doesn't, normally that means that that's the quality the video will end up being in. But the reality is that whatever quality the actual video is how it's going to download. It's going to download in that particular quality. So if this video is a 1080p quality, right? If it's 1080p, that's the actual quality that is going to be downloaded in. It won't be downloaded in the 720p. The 720 is just the highest level, I guess, for this particular site that allows you to download. All right. There might be some instances where this might, 1080p might pop up. All right. But most times it's in the 720. So what I'm going to do next is just click the download button, and then it's going to let me know that it's downloading, or it's already finished that it finished already downloaded. So I'm going to click on that. All right. And as you see at the bottom, it says downloading, and it's actually already downloaded. Now, I don't know if it has something to do with the length of the video is so short that it downloaded that quick. Most times it downloads any video, no matter what time or how long it is, it downloads pretty quick anyway. All right. So you don't normally have to wait so long for any video to download. It is pretty quick for any video length. All right. So now we download it. So it's already on the phone. And basically that's how you download any YouTube video to your phone. And to show you that it's been downloaded to my phone, I'm going to go here, exit out of this, and I'm just going to click on this right here, and you can be able to see the video. It's been downloaded. All right. So here's the download section of this. Tap on that. And here is the video right here. I'm just going to play it so you can see and judge for yourself about the quality. All right. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, ladies and gents. And that's how you download any YouTube video to your Android cell phone. All right. So I want to thank you guys again for checking out How To University. And so now you should know how to download any YouTube video to your cell phone. Thanks for coming in, and I appreciate it. And I'm out. Peace.